Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on converting a decimal to a percentage worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice converting decimals to percentages. Now there's a very basic rule, a very straightforward rule which helps us to make this conversion. And basically the rule says that when you are given a decimal, to convert it to a percentage, all you do is you move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Once you've done that, then that gives you the conversion as a percentage. And there is a lesson on this very topic, so if you actually want to see the lesson, on the next slide there is a link. If you go to the link, click on that link, and it'll take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all the examples. So very basically, the first one, 0.29, so you focus on the position of the decimal point, then you just go 1, 2, and wherever the decimal point stops, that gives you the answer as a percentage. So the first two are straightforward. You'll notice the third one here only has one digit after the decimal point. So the secret is, write down some zeros here, and that enables you to move the decimal point to the right. So you can write down as many zeros as you want, and if you need to, and that will give you the answer as a percentage. So they're all very straightforward. Just move it 2 places to the right. Over here, when you move 2 places to the right, the decimal point stops here between the 4 and the 3. And it doesn't matter if there's an answer in the decimal, an answer which contains a decimal point. So if you have an answer which contains a decimal point, it doesn't matter. As long as you've moved it 2 places to the right, that answer is a percentage. And it's the same here. You will have a decimal point in the answer. It doesn't matter. The answer is still a percentage. And it's the same all the way through. So when you have something like this, that's a very small number, but you can still use these zeros to move the decimal point 2 places across, and it will always give you the answer as a percentage. So this video has given us a few examples where we can practice changing decimals to a percentage. The rule is very simple. You just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. There's a lesson on the topic, and on the next slide there's a link, and if you want to go to the lesson, just click on the link and it will take you through the lesson.